Okay, so we'll be making bubble tea. Not exactly bubble tea, but the pearls for maybe brown sugar fresh milk, or I can say milk tea. You just need the ready-made pearls that you can buy online. And then very simple, few things you need: sugar, brown sugar or white sugar will be fine. Boil it in water for like 10 to 15 minutes until it's ready. Then we'll be able to serve with whatever drink that you like as a topping. So mainly just to get ready the pearls, and it should be done. So first thing, pots. Okay, we'll fill out the pot. Fill out the pot with hot water. You can pre-cook your hot water. Then turn on the fire so that at least it's cooking. These pearls itself have some form of sugar in it already, so you just need to boil it a while. Use a fork and stir, and I think you'll be able to get a reduced amount of pearl in a while. Okay, I ran out of brown sugar. Since it's very brown sugar coated, white sugar will do. I prefer you to use estimation. If you want, you can measure about 2 to 3 tablespoons, so that is sweet enough. As you can see, it's very browning. So 2 things you need. It's a bit white because it's kind of flour based. Okay, and then the next thing is that, what is it over here? You'll turn brown once the water comes in touch with it. Don't exactly touch the middle first, it's not ready, but the side one, shift it out in place so that it will be able to get cooked in the center. High heat. And when it's closer to cook, it should show its brown color or thing like that. If you use brown sugar, you have the more brown. Okay, it's not just white sugar will not exactly bring out the brown color so fast. To me, it doesn't taste much of difference, because what will happen is the sugar will be caramelized in the process. At the same time, the dark color will come out from the pearls. So medium to high heat. You see, it's almost ready. One thing you have to is to get this white color to look a bit more brown. And why some of it's more brown is because they use brown sugar. I'm using white sugar. Doesn't matter to me. In fact, brown sugar is healthy. You may consider that option. Swirl it around. taste test. Okay, ready. Today's recipe will be a bit more of a, I can say, normal one. Okay, two things we need: the pearl. Okay, the rest you can see over here is starch now, so just put in the pearl. This can actually do for close to 2 servings, but we'll leave this one for another serving. You can see it's starting to warm up, but the pearls are inside. Okay, it's hot. Fresh milk. Okay, and the ball is always soft cold. Any your ice. Insert your straw. If your straw first, don't let the straw plastic touch the hot end, and it will look something like that. If you see the pearl is not enough, you have extra pearl. Just put everything in. Submerge it, submerge it, submerge it. Oh, we're still floating. There you have it. Milk, sugar, drink. Okay, I'll clean up the table and that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.